Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I have been super excited to get to this video today. I'm jumping back in with Soultanicals, specifically the Knot Sauce Coil Detangler, and I can't wait to use it. I went a week without using Soultanicals, going back to my old TGI Natural routine, and I have to admit that I have really missed using Soultanicals. Today I bleached my hair. Today has been my bleach day, and my hair is so thirsty. I don't follow my usual shower, moisturizing, everything protocol when I bleach my hair. I have a whole other protocol that I follow. I have a whole video on my bleach here, and so my hair is really thirsty. I also tried a new deep conditioner mask that was okay, but it didn't fully fulfill my hair's needs. And that was last week's video where I used the deep conditioner by Sauce Beauty, and you can watch that video here. I had such an incredible experience with Soultanicals. My very first time ever trying it, I jumped in with 4 products where I used the Afrotastic Curl Elastic as my mask, followed by the Mango Dip Detangling Slip as my leave-in. Then I used my oil because I followed the lock method to moisturize my hair. And after that, I went in with Marula-Muru Moisture Guru as the cream, and I topped it off with Can't Believe It's Not Butter. You can watch that video here. So today I'm pretty much doing the same thing, except I'm switching out the Mango Dip Detangling Slip for Knot Sauce. And so let's jump in. The review is mainly on Knot Sauce and how this does for my hair, and then I'll follow with all the other mentioned products and come back and show it to you styled. Oh, this has more of the earthier type of scents. I tend to prefer the fruity scents. It doesn't bother me. I like it. It's actually, what does it smell like? I cannot describe it, but I really like it, and I love, oh my god, I love how it feels on my hands. So glad to be back with Soultanicals. I'll be back. It's light compared to the heaviness of leave-ins that I'm used to, especially with TGI Natural. And because I bleached today, I'm gonna go in with more. But the feeling is incredible. It feels really good in my hair. Incredible slip. Just glides on. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna pair with the other products that I'm gonna use, all from Soultanicals. So I'm doing an all Soultanicals wash today. So this is gonna be a very to the point experiment. I'm gonna finish applying the rest of the products, style my hair, and I'll be right back. Wow. I am in heaven. I have a headache. It's been a long day. I've had to deal with the smell of bleach. These glaring lights are getting to me, and to end up feeling this good in the hair has been well worth it. Knot Sauce is yet another winner by Soultanicals. I am in love. I am in love. And the packaging, again, another winner. My hair feels so soft. I get worried. I get worried every time I bleach my hair. I'm so worried that, oh my god, this time I've done it, it's just gonna break off my head. But I'm at peace, and Soultanicals did the trick. And honestly, I have missed not using Soultanicals this past week, and this was just what I needed. And I can definitely feel the effects of Knot Sauce. I don't need to come back and check in. I know I'm gonna do well. This is a keeper. I love it so much. My hair, all I can think of when I touch it is that it feels fluffy and soft and like a cloud. Let me show you, because it looks incredible. A good way to finish an otherwise rough day. Thank you, Soultanicals. And that's it. Short, sweet, to the point. I'm sure my next video will be long, so enjoy these little short ones while you can. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more. See you in the next one. Ciao for now.